In this tutorial, we'll learn how to iterate over dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries are an important data structure in Python, and knowing how to effectively traverse them is a key skill for any programmer. So, let's get started. To start, we need a dictionary. Let's create a dictionary called student with keys as name, age and major. Now, let's start by iterating over the keys. We can do this by using a simple for loop. As you can see, we were able to print out all the keys in the dictionary. Now, what if we want to iterate over the values instead? To iterate over the values of a dictionary, we use the values function. Let's try it out. The values function allows us to iterate over all the values in our dictionary, and we've printed them out. Finally, what if we want to iterate over both keys and values at the same time? Python has a built-in function for dictionaries called items that makes this task easy. With the items function, we are able to simultaneously iterate over keys and values in the dictionary. And that's it. You've now learned how to iterate over keys, values, and key-value pairs in a Python dictionary. This is an important step in mastering Python data structures. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep on coding and experimenting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay curious and happy coding. See you in the next tutorial.